Okay, so here we have the docking station from MiniSopuru. First impressions are it's pretty solid, nice metallic finish. So this is the front here. So that's the power button. Got the lights, you've got two USB 10 gigabit ports, a USB C port, power delivery 15 watts, 7.5 on these two. You've got a headphone jack, mouse and keyboard, so you've got plenty of ports there. And then on the back, this is obviously where the power goes in. You've got USB-C, you got to the host, and that's got power. Then you've got USB data, then you've got two HDMIs, 4K 60 in and 4K 60 out. You've got two HDMIs there. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so that's the power adapter. That will slot right in there. And then we've got some cables. I think that's a switching cable, PC 1 and 2. It's USB-C cable, HDMI lead, and another HDMI lead, and a USB-C to USB-A lead. Okay guys, so that's your unboxing. I hope that helps, and I'll do some tests in another video.